come back again to another update. Wonder they say shall never end. Now so people take talk am. Show now they hear and so make una check out this video of this small girl, and this girl they say na 9 years now be this girl. This life what I see, so a lot of people come this life for different mission. A lot of people come, they don't even want to say another person they progress. They just come, they be enemy of progress. They come destroy a lot of good things will be say a lot of people they don't work for. All their mind, all their everything about them for life. Now be say anything anywhere they foresee good thing. There is their mind, they happy for that good thing. Imagine how can this video where they show now, so how can 9 years old girl come this kind of big supermarket, even with her family, her mom did there with her sister, come this kind of big supermarket, put fire without any reason. This girl put fire for this supermarket. Just tell me wetin really control this girl to do this kind of thing. And she even do am like she even dey happy say she do am. I see this thing, I shock. I dey imagine say human being, in fact, I dey always tell people say for this our mind, make we forget all those prayer wey we say we dey pray and all those things. Nobody wey no know good thing, nobody wey no know bad thing. For this our mind, na there na devil dey stay, na there na God dey stay. But now you come by yourself know the one wey you want choose, where you go dey use, where go dey control you. If you choose the devil part of it, where you go dey control you, na so e go lead you take dey do some kind of things wey be say you no go dey ever dey see good thing dey come out from people. For this kind small girl to get this kind of mind, and this supermarket now they say it worth about 5 billion. Goods wey dey inside, they worth about 5 billion. Then this small girl just go put fire, burn everything, and nothing they say remain. Before the firefighter even come sef, everything don't even burn comot for this supermarket. Even the small girl sister, elder sister, they even dey smile. You go even see the smile for her face for the CCTV camera wey capture her. If not be for this CCTV camera wey even happen sef, because when the thing happen, na the next day na dem fit detect through the CCTV camera, na dem fit detect wetin really happen wey the supermarket take catch fire. And this supermarket na one big popular supermarket for Abuja wey be say a lot of people dey patronize. How the fire take come in surprise a lot of people until they come go see the way the thing take start for the CCTV camera. Wetin happen? Wetin the owner of this supermarket do this small girl? All the mission that all they already they plan and since say they go deal with the man, and they need to show the man say yes, the business e no go fit run am, or they just dey jealous. I know say a lot of people they really dey jealous to dey see good thing they come out from person. As they patronize you, meanwhile they no dey the position to fit do that kind of thing wey be say you dey do so, but they no go dey happy say you dey progress. Because 9 years old girl no be small pikin again wey no know good and bad. Abeg, we need to really be careful about human, because human mind are very wicked. Human being, we are very wicked. You don't even know who to trust and who not to trust again. Just end up person business just like that. Business where be say the goods they worth about 5 billion. Just tell me this girl now how she go fit take pay for this damage. She and her family, if her ancestors sef, if they ever call them back, how they will fit take pay? But thank God say they later arrest the girl. After they don't see everything for the CCTV camera, they arrest this girl and they show her up. They ask her some kind of question, say how come? Wetin happen? And it just be like saying wetin they even plan with the family, because the way they take leave the premises, of the place wey be say when this thing come dey burn, e just be like say na the mission wey be say dem just come there come do. Just dance come supermarket, put fire, just go like that. I really pity the owner of this supermarket, and I no know how this person go fit take gain this loss, because even this girl wey me dey see so wey carry big belle, like say e don swallow a lot of people progress for the belle, because normal human below the small girl see the belle sef, na there una go know say this girl don swallow a lot of people progress for the belle. No be if e be say no be this kind thing, no be this one even first dey start, because most of them wey be say that they always dey do all those kind of things, na like this dem dey be. Hi, abeg my people, we really need to dey prayerful against those kind of people, because they dey everywhere. So abeg, may you drop your comment and your opinion below. May you tell me wetin you really reason concerning this evil act wey be say this girl just commit for this thing, and how they go take pay for this kind of thing. May you drop your comment and your opinion below. May you tell me wetin you really reason concerning this thing wey this girl do. And I say time abeg, make you like this video, share am, follow me on my Facebook page as Baba K TV. I still dey for YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, at the same time press the bell notification, so that anytime when I drop new video, you will see am one time. Alright my people, till I see you again in my next video. Peace out.